Many of us face a common problem in our daily lives, feeling trapped in a never-ending cycle of negativity, constantly seeking fulfillment, but never quite finding it. We yearn for a sense of purpose, a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us, but it seems elusive, just out of reach. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle? A way to create a positive reality through the power of your own feelings and consciousness. In this video, we'll explore the concept of renewing your mind, opening up the path to test God's perfect will, and we'll uncover the transformative potential of achieving true fulfillment through inner awareness and mindfulness. Join us as we peel back the layers of understanding, unraveling the mysteries behind creating a positive reality, renewing your mind, and finding fulfillment within yourself. But before we embark on this enlightening journey together, we kindly ask for your support. If you find value in the content we share, we invite you to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay connected with our upcoming videos, each one packed with wisdom and insights to help you on your path of personal growth and transformation. Now, prepare yourself for an exploration that will challenge your perceptions, expand your knowledge, and leave you with a sense of hope and empowerment. Are you ready to unlock the secrets that lie within? Let's begin. Our feelings hold incredible power. They shape not only our own reality, but also the reality of those around us. It's a fundamental truth that we must acknowledge and embrace. When we accept what we would like to feel is real about others, it has a profound impact on how they appear and interact with us. The lens through which we view others is directly influenced by our feelings. Here's where our power lies, in the ability to choose our state of being. By consciously choosing to exist in a positive and uplifting state, we can transform how things appear around us. Our reality becomes a reflection of our inner state. But how can we achieve this ideal state of being? The answer lies in the simplicity of just being. It is a concept that encourages us to embrace our natural way of existing, our state of consciousness. When we remain in the feeling of the wish fulfilled, particularly in how we relate to others, we create a positive environment where everyone can thrive and be their best selves. Self-awareness plays a crucial role in this process. By being conscious of the imaginal activity we identify with, we can avoid activating any negative states that may hinder us from achieving our desired outcomes. Understanding that everything happens in divine order allows us to let go of the need for excessive trying or convincing when it comes to relating with other people. Resigning ourselves, not just physically, but mentally as well, helps align us closer to fulfilling our wishes and desires. Renewing your mind to test God's perfect will is a powerful concept that can transform your life. It's about breaking free from the patterns and expectations of the world and aligning yourself with the divine. Let's explore how this renewal of the mind can lead us to a deeper understanding of God's will. In order to prove God's perfect will, we need to approach life without judgment. Instead of letting appearances dictate our thoughts and actions, we should allow them to exist without attaching any preconceived notions. By doing so, we create space for the truth to reveal itself. This requires a conscious effort to remain in the feeling of our ideal state of consciousness, a state where we align with the highest and best version of ourselves. For example, let's say we have an interaction with someone that triggers a negative emotional response within us. In that moment, we have a choice. We can either let our thoughts and feelings about that person consume us, or we can choose to remain focused on unconditional love. By doing so, we open ourselves up to a form of prayer. This allows everything to unfold naturally and automatically, guided by God's will. Our feelings towards others should always stay unconditional. When we desire a certain state, it is important to understand that having it goes beyond the world of appearance. It involves tapping into our spiritual self and speaking our desires into progress and fulfillment. By obediently following our inner voice, we can witness the manifestation of our dreams and desires. Imagine desiring a harmonious relationship with a loved one. Instead of getting caught up in their current behavior or circumstances, we remain focused on our ideal state of love, harmony, and unity. This unconditional feeling serves as a prayer, inviting God's perfect will to work through us and create positive change. By holding on to this feeling and following the guidance it provides, we can move closer to the fulfillment of our dreams. Have you ever wondered how to achieve true fulfillment in life? It starts with inner awareness and mindfulness. Let's explore how embracing these practices can transform your life and bring you lasting happiness. Firstly, it's important to realize that all desires are already fulfilled. They originate from the ideal state of consciousness that exists within each of us. This ideal state is our true nature, a place where all possibilities and potentials reside. By recognizing this, we can shift our focus from a place of lack to a place of abundance and fulfillment. Next, cultivating awareness and acceptance of our inner feelings is essential. This allows us to protect ourselves from the influences and pressures of the outside world. By staying connected to our inner truth, we can make decisions and choices that align with our authentic selves. This inner guidance system becomes a powerful tool for navigating life and finding fulfillment. The power to manifest our desired reality lies in understanding the profound connection between our inner feelings and the world around us. Our inner state has a direct impact on what appears in our external reality. By consciously recognizing how our inner feelings shape our experiences, we can consciously create the life we desire. This realization empowers us to take control of our destiny and manifest our dreams. Meditating on behalf of others is a beautiful practice that not only benefits them, but also strengthens our connection with all living beings. By sending positive energy, love, and prayers to others, we release God into the world. This deepens our spiritual connection and fosters unity and compassion among all beings. It's a practice that expands our hearts and brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment to our lives. Finally, staying mindful and deliberately acting allows us to observe appearances without bias. It keeps us focused on the present moment and helps us tap into our innate wisdom and intuition. By approaching each situation with a sense of mindfulness, we can respond rather than react, making conscious choices that are aligned with our values and intentions. This mindful presence allows us to stay connected with love, our true nature. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey of creating a positive reality through our feelings and consciousness. We explored the power of renewing our minds to test God's perfect will and achieving fulfillment through inner awareness and mindfulness. If you found value in this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified of future videos that will continue to inspire and guide you on your manifestation journey. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Let's engage in a conversation and share our insights with one another. Your comments contribute to the growth and collaborative spirit of our community. As we conclude this video, we send you our best wishes on your manifestation journey. May you tap into the depths of your inner being and manifest your desires with clarity, grace, and joy. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting. Together, we can create a beautiful reality built on love, positivity, and transformation. Thank you once again for being a part of our community.